Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today I'm super excited. I'm gonna be trying Indian food. We're gonna be doing chicken biryani. A big shout out to my co-worker Naveen. He's actually the one who told me about biryani, and I think it's gonna be a good idea trying it. So let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're gonna be doing is actually to marinate our chicken. So we're gonna add in some Garam masala, fenugreek. I'm gonna add in some salt, ginger and garlic paste. I actually have a biryani mix I got from the store, so I'm gonna add it there. Plain, no fat yogurt. Then we're gonna gently mix this. Chopped tomatoes, we're also going to be adding some seasoning cube, and some red chili pepper. Marinate it for about 30 minutes. And then we'll continue the process. So fam, while our chicken is marinating, we're gonna go ahead and actually soak our basmati rice in water for about 20 to 25 minutes. So we're gonna add oil and some butter. If you have ghee, you could add ghee. I don't have ghee, so I'm gonna use some butter. In some onion, some caraway seeds, pinch of salt, turmeric and fenugreek, and then give that a stir. So fam, you're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna add some water. So fam, our chicken is almost ready. I didn't even need to add any water. It's been cooking by itself. So we're gonna let it cook. Once it gets a little bit drier, then it'll be fine. So we're gonna cover the pot. So fam, since our rice is almost cooked, we're just gonna cover it for some time. Right. Our biryani is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and serve it. We're gonna garnish our biryani with some fried onions. And also some green onions. Fam, I must say biryani is worth trying. So delicious. Make sure you give yourself a treat. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.